Welcome, thank you for tuning in. This is another special unboxing. Found this in the 99 only cent store and I had to get it. I got this it's a Micro Machines, R2D2. There was only a Stormtrooper, this one, and R2D2, so I got this one. I got a second one for my carnal. I'm gonna send that to him. Thought it was a pretty cool gift, and yeah, so you can have the little R2D2 as a display. So I'm gonna give that one to him, and I'm gonna unbox this one right now. Oh, R2D2 fell. So here is what it comes with. Oh, mira el gatito, se está comiendo la nieve el gatito. So this is what it comes with. Comes with a Chewbacca. Let me zoom in. There's Chewie, and there is the Snow Troopers. Yeah, I think it's a Snow Trooper. So Micro Machine is old the brand that makes micro toys. As you can see, they're so tiny. They're the size of my two fingers, index and the middle finger. There's Chewy, and here is Storm. Made out of plastic, really light. There goes the little pin. ¿Qué pasó? Mira el gato. Do. Here is R2D2. Nice. Made out of plastic, of course. Now I wanted this to also have it on as a display item. So I'm gonna have it there on my display. This is pretty cool. So there it is. Back. A ver, no, ¿qué te parece este juguetito? Mira, ese se pone aquí arriba. Sí, este puntito. Aquí va, pero sin quebrarlo. Despacito. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this as my display. I'm not gonna keep it for him. These are too small. And we got something else in here. So it's just like a little guide, the warning, precaution, and all the instructions how to properly assemble it. But you know how we are, we skip all this. Bueno, dile bye.